Every child learns differently. We all know that. But only a few tutoring platforms plan for it. At Tutrain, we spent years together studying what exactly drives the learning from regular classroom behavior to cognitive patterns, from board requirement to developmental behavior. As a result, we built a system that doesn't just teach, it understands. So, we never treat grade 4 and grade 10 the same because they are not. Our academic team carefully designs each grade's needs with precision. For example, in early grades, we focus on curiosity, comprehension, and confidence, which are the pillars of learning pathways. Whereas in middle school, the gear shifts, developing logic, reasoning and problem solving. Coming to grade 9 and 10, we slowly introduce exam structure analysis and pattern familiarity so that every concept translates into the performance. This is not just improvisation, by the way. It is carefully structured and designed grade by grade learning pathway to ensure mastery built step by step. Just as the grades can't be taught in the same way, each subject demands its own unique approach because it has its own psychology. We understand that and we teach it that way. In mathematics, our pedagogy strengthens the reasoning before rushing to the formulas because we believe speed is pointless when the foundation is not strong. That's why we don't chase the answers, rather we reshape the thinkers who can break the problem, rebuild it and solve it with very first principles. Coming to science, science is not a single subject, by the way. It is 3 different ways of thinking: physics, chemistry and biology. That's why we teach each branch in its own natural style. Physics, we build clarity first, real world meaning, visualization, cause-effect understanding. Because when the kid understands the concept clearly, solving becomes instinctive. Coming to chemistry, we focus on step-by-step logic, patterns rather than memorizing the concepts and reaction, because when the kid knows why substances behave in certain way, they can easily predict the outcomes. We teach biology with simple contextual stories and functions so that the student link the structure, function and purpose, which makes biology easy to understand, hard to forget. Coming to the language, English, we nurture thought, articulation and comprehension because these skills fuel the success across other subjects too. Like this, all other subjects at Tutrain gets its own depth, intention and subject-specific design. Now the time to talk about curriculum. See, every curriculum has its own DNA, right? CBSE emphasizes conceptual hierarchy, that is why we scaffold every topic to match that flow. Whereas ICSE values application and precision writing, that's why we train through detailed understanding and expressive writing. Coming to IGCSE and other international boards which demand inquiry and critical thought, our lessons also invite exploration and dialogue. In India, so many states are there, state boards are there. So each and every state board has its own sequencing, cultural adaptation, their own curriculum. We also ready for that. Our tutors have adaptive methodology to deal each and every state curriculum as well accordingly. See, when we say we know the curriculum, that doesn't just mean we align with it, but also we design each and every content through it. And finally, the heart of it all, one-to-one attention. Tutrain's every single session is crafted and designed as per the learner's pace, speed, their strength and their prior understanding. So the lesson plan, worksheets, assessment, question bank, whatever we use as study materials are not picked randomly from somewhere else, but they are handcrafted around the learning objectives with the help of curriculum blueprints and psychology research. So at Tutrain, we know what to teach, when to teach and how to make it stick. Because Tutrain is not just another tutoring platform, but a system built by the educators who understand the science behind how learning works. Stay tuned for more insights.